Are you leaving money on the table by not moving your money around?
Switching banks is not at the top of everybody's to-do list.
A report from Bankrate reveals that Americans tend to stick with their banks for the long haul, holding on to checking accounts for an average of 19 years and savings accounts for 17 years.
So a lot of times people keep the same account just because they've always had it, and it just kind of is what it is.
I decided to find out for myself.
We've had the same account for
30 years.
Thought about switching a couple years ago and I did switch, and I've been wondering if there's anything else I can do since then.
Bankrate senior industry analyst Ted Rossman recommends shopping around for new accounts every year or two to make sure you're getting the best value.
If you don't shop around, you might not know that there's something better out there, particularly if you're being charged fees for your account.
Many banks now offer sign-up bonuses to attract new customers. And when comparing options, look for checking accounts with no monthly service fees or out-of-network ATM charges. And for savings, seek out high-yield interest rates.
Savings rates have gone up a lot in recent years, and if you've been using the same big bank year after year after year, you might be getting nothing on your deposits, whereas you could get up to about 4.5% if you switch to an online bank.
Online banks typically offer higher annual percentage yields than traditional brick-and-mortar banks, thanks to lower overhead costs. But if you still want the option to walk into a branch, Rossman says you can have it both ways.
Keep your existing checking account if that still works for you, but that's probably yielding nothing or next to nothing. Pair that with an online high-yield savings account. You can move money back and forth, often in as little as a business day or two.
In other words, blending convenience with higher returns could be the smart move. Just make sure to shop around and compare to find the deal that's best for you. Before you switch, make sure your new bank is insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, otherwise known as the FDIC. You can look for the FDIC logo. It means that your money is protected by the federal government, even if the bank fails. Reporting in Washington, I'm Amy Lowe.